In this fast-paced game, player must be swiftly move across the court, respond to the opponent's shots, and execute precise maneuvers. Speed, the ability to cover the court quickly, and agility, the capacity to change direction rapidly and maintain balance, are the cornerstone of successful badminton player skill sets. Speed in badminton is not just about how fast a player can run, but also how swiftly they can react to the shuttlecock trajectory. Player must be anticipate their opponent's move and position themselves strategically to return shot effectively. Speed enables player to reach the shuttlecock before it lands, giving them an advantage in dictating the pace of the game. A quick player can apply pressure on their opponents, forcing them into defensive position and creating opportunities for attacking shots. These attributes not only determine a player's ability to cover the court effectively, but also influence their strategic choices and shot selection. Through dedicated training and mental focus, players can enhance their speed and agility, elevating their game and increasing their chances of success on the badminton court.